Medina, I want to ask you a question. I want to keep my laptop nice and cool, and at the same time, I want to have the perfect angle.
What you will need is a Nulaxy adjustable multi-angle foldable aluminum laptop stand with extensive compatibility, ergonomic design, a stable in solid aluminum body, convenient to carry, keep neat, and save space.
So let me show you this product right now. How we doing, everyone? Once again, this is Dario from MEDIABOXENT blockchain, and what we have today we have this great product.
Nulaxy adjustable multi-angle foldable aluminum laptop stand.
That's it. Now, like Menina said, if you want to keep it nice and cool, why? Because this product is aluminum. What aluminum will do will dissipate heat, so it becomes nice to hold your laptop. It holds between 10 inches to 17-inch laptop. See how nice it is. Now we have the what we have here, Menina, we have the perfect angle, right?
Excellent angle, yes.
Yes,
correct.
we do a lot of blogging, we do a lot of video editing. So when we do work on the laptop, we want to have this. Now I have this my angle perfect to look good. Now the school starts, right, Menina?
Yes, the semester is about to start
So
right now.
Make
Next
it
week.
easy. Yes, make it easy to work. And also, if you want it's very light, it's aluminum. So if you want to carry in your backpack, it closes simple. It needs it. Also, Menina, what is these rabbits for? We have ones underneath.
Well, we use the rubber so it doesn't slip and it stays always in place.
Right, always in place. It will keep your laptop nice and cool. And let me show you the measurements anyway. So it holds up to 10 kilos. That's plenty. That will be a laptop from the 80s, I would think. 10
So
kilos
you
laptop.
can pretty much fall asleep on it.
Yeah, pretty
Your
much.
head, no?
Yeah, so if we see here is what, 9.25 inches. So it's funny because we give in kilos, we give in centimeters,
Yes, you're messing everybody up.
and now we give in inches, and it's about 9.5, and that's a measurement of this. So hold between 10 and 10 inches and 15 inches laptop. It's heavy, bit light. It will do the work for you because you have the right angle.
Yes.
And if you need more information, and always the link to get this product right now for you, the school they started for your office, that will be right below this video. Menina?
Yes, and we also have to know it would get a comfortable view angle and prevent fatigue.
That's it.
So you are less tired.
You're right, Menina. So
Yes.
I'll see you next time, Menina.
Yes.
With another great product. Okay,
Absolutely.
right. Bye.
Bye.